Hello guys. Welcome to Jamoi TV channel, automated voice cover. Just comment your thoughts about me, so we can teach you how to start with. If you don't know what's happening here, don't forget to subscribe, and click the notification bell, so you don't miss out the latest video. Okay, let's start. Hello guys, Jamoi is here. Drag a MP4 format, or any video format, you desire to save as Jpeg. Wait until it loading finished. After that you can start dragging the part you want to save as picture. Some people don't know how to do this, they're more likely screenshot instead, to save as picture but not the high definition or detail of the pictures. You can create new canvas to paste the copied picture from the video. After that you can add text to if you desire to. And now you can save it into the picture format. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something basic. Please support my channel. God bless you.